This is the sound using GoPro Audio Adapter. This with the GoPro Audio Adapter using Lavalier mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, yo. Yeah. Sound test. This is sound test without the GoPro Audio Adapter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think it is important for us to use. Ya, bagus nih pakai ini adapter. For me, if you interview kan like jauh-jauh lah, distance, bagus ngam lah to have this one. So you can plug in your wireless mic or what, you can talk jauh-jauh lah, talk far away. Interview with 2 person. Oh, now MC also kan distance. 6 feet test away from GoPro without Lavalier mic. Aduh, terpancing pula. Net. Right now, test 6 feet away from GoPro. Sound check, test, sound check. Right. Got an idea. Ooh. There we go. Sound check. Hey, how's? Cheers. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.